That's very peachy.
Oh, man. Sorry, Edna. Edna took one for the team, but looks like the narrator wins this round. Next up is Mickey Mouse and Carl Wheezer. All right, you two. You think you're ready?
I guess I am. Oh yeah, Mickey Mouse is ready.
Spinning the wheel, and it is buttered popcorn and rotten egg.
Oh gosh. Oh, not rotten egg. Anything but rotten eggs.
3, 2, 1, eat!
Like popcorn from the movies.
Oh, looks like Carl's got the rotten egg flavor. So sorry, Carl. Mickey, good job. You won this round. Last but not least is Caillou